Let's start. Today we will see how to implement bookmarks in the HTML. A bookmark lets us jump from one point on the HTML page to another point. Let's see the code. In the body tag, we have several heading tags with Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3, etc. as the text. But as you can see, some heading tags have an ID on them. These IDs will be used as the bookmarks. And at the top of all these chapters, we have these paragraph tags. In these tags, we have two anchor tags. These anchor tags refer to the IDs of the heading tags. When a user clicks this link, he will be directed to the Chapter 4 on the web page. And when a user clicks this link, he will be directed to the Chapter 10 on the web page. Let's see this in a browser. So that's it. That's how you can implement bookmarks in the HTML. Thank you.